In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can cancel your YouTube Premium membership plan. To cancel, first go to your mail. After that, scroll down and then here you can see cancellation. So you can cancel your YouTube Premium membership at any time. So to cancel, you have to click on cancel this text. Now go to manage membership, just click on that, and then here you can see right now this is my free trial. To cancel, just click on cancel membership and then just click on next. Go to play. Now click on cancel subscription. Click on continue. Cancel subscription. Your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period, so you won't be charged. So after this, keep subscription, just click on cancel subscription and the subscription is now cancelled. And there you go. That's how you can cancel your YouTube Premium subscription. So hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.